What's up, guys? It's your boy. I'm back with another video. Smoking Metal Car Fun video. Well, we definitely ain't doing no car fun stuff. We in a tornado watch out here in PA. And just soon as she came out on the porch, me and my son was fooling with the truck. Soon as she came out on the porch and said there's a tornado watch in effect till 7 o'clock tonight. Soon as she said that, boom, tree broke.
Wait, not one.
Yeah.
Not just one.
Tree straight up broke. Here, son, show them that. Straight up broke.
See where it broke from. And yeah, we were right over here.
Yeah.
But not just one tree.
Yeah, it's a few of them down right now. I can't even go that way down.
Right by the house.
Yeah, I can't even go that. If I'd have had them other tires on,
We would have been stuck.
So right now, y'all, we hoping and praying that there is no trees down this way to get out of the park.
It sounded like we heard one, but we're
Not sure.
hoping that we didn't.
We're gonna cruise our way up out of here and pray nothing fell down here. Oh, yeah. But they falling. They falling left and right. Glad the rain slowed down a little bit.
Yeah, but you can roll in the back up.
Doesn't act like he afraid to walk.
The phone is.
Yeah, my phone down. Yeah, nothing fell over here.
Not yet.
We ain't see. Hopefully we passed the wind part of it.
I'm gonna just say for now.
Just for now.
Yeah. For the simple fact is if there's a tornado watch till 7,
Till 7 o'clock.
there's definitely gonna be some more winds and it's only 12.
Definitely till 7.
Or wait. It's
I
only
get back to y'all. We almost
2.
out the park. Let me see. We're gonna see. We're gonna ride all the way out the park and see if anything fell.
Trees
Tree
right there, fell.
there. Tree fell at the top of the road.
Let's see if
Maybe y'all can see it. By the time I pull out,
No, you can't tell.
can't see it.
No. Like more trees fell over there.
In the woods, yeah.
Right there. You can see one. Right
I think
there.
people down here in copacetic right now. They ain't got no big trees right here at their house.
The only people that do are these two.
Yeah. And that tree ain't got that.
That tree is still healthy.
Yeah.
That one might.
Look, the tree fell back there.
Yeah, right there.
Boy, snapped.
That one did not break right there. That one was cut down, but
You sure? Oh, yeah. They was cut. I remember they cut that.
nothing on the way out the park.
No?
Good.
I think we copacetic. Oh, Russ had some come about the ground. A little bitty tree, too.
Yeah.
About the ground.
It'd been fun. That's not Russ, that's Blink. But it would have been funny. You said, nope, everything copacetic. Turn the corner at a speedier pace and then a tree right across the road.
Well, I'm going to get back to y'all in a little bit.
Wait.
Something fell over here, too.
Multiple.
Oh, boy.
Hold up. Window down.
They was up in there for real.
I've seen not one, but 2 trees. 3 trees. And that's 2 right there that are laying against each other. And then that one right there. 4, 5,
Goodness,
6.
Nature snapped that boy.
6 trees right there.
It split it in half.
Yeah. 6 trees over there.
That's crazy. Be glad you cut these down.
Oh yeah, I bet. 6 trees just at that one house. Well, one driveway. But
We'll catch y'all if we see any more damage out here in the Pennsylvania. What is this?
Johnstown area.
Johnstown,
Windward.
Carnamall. What's this? Southeastern?
Southeast, yeah.
Yeah, we're in the southeast area. Hopefully, everything be copacetic going through the park.
Yeah, because we're going through the real woodsy area.
Yeah. Look at it. Everywhere. Everywhere.
Wow, that came from way in the woods too.
Yeah. Pennsylvania tornado. All these old ass trees.
Yeah.
Y'all gotta forgive me. I'm still working on trying not to cuss, things like that, humanity words. So, just want to say, I apologize right now. But at the same time, I hope y'all having a great day and not a terrible day. I want to know if they putting that out for scrap or what? 'Cause they
What was
putting
it?
a lot of it out there.
I didn't look at you.
It's like a bunch of scrap. They putting out in the yard. I don't know if they putting it out there to go for them.
Nothing over here. I'm not seeing anything. A few branches, that's about it I'm seeing. See, this is where things get really sketchy.
Yeah, coming through the park. Hopefully a whole tree ain't down. But a Jeep done went down so far.
They still going.
Yeah.
There's a bunch of debris on the road,
Oh
but
yeah, it's everywhere.
these trees, well,
But I will tell y'all,
I don't know. Is that been there?
there's nothing to say I don't want to live in the country still. I love the country and I'm going to continue to live in the country. This is something you have to deal with when you know you live
In the
in
sticks.
the country area. You know what
Living
I
in
mean?
the sticks.
Look, trees, look, all over the road, look, all over.
Yeah, it's everywhere.
Yeah.
That's bad. Well, we know the other way's clear.
Yeah, they came all the way through, so everything should be copacetic.
Clear enough to get through. I'm not going to say it's 100% clear. There might be a tree falling on the road again. That you can get around.
They ain't got no trees in the river.
They ain't make no dams. Mother Nature didn't decide to make a dam.
No,
Don't look like it.
no. Water's high though.
Oh yeah, that's that rain that we just got. That's insane.
It is.
Trees right here. Fell down.
That little piece of debris everywhere, I'm trying to tell you. I don't like it. Another tree, that tree fell, piece of branch over here.
Someone just hit your car. Your truck.
Did it?
Yeah, it's hit the window.
Wow.
Might have caught it on camera.
I thought it was in here. To be honest with you. Was your window up on your truck? Mine wasn't. I had to get in the truck and wipe off the whole side of it.
You got a soggy butt. You got a soggy butt.
Maybe, maybe not. It don't feel that way, but it was a little wet.
At the same time, we're already soggy from the rain.
Right.
So can't quite
But
tell.
the crazy part is, though, we got finished just in time before